Every day, construction teams are managing hundreds of RFIs, dozens of submittals, and attending hours of meetings. Keeping track and reporting out on all of these project management tasks can be overwhelming, but if done correctly, is at the heart of all successful construction projects. With the configurable solutions in Autodesk Build, teams now have the tools they need to simplify the oversight and management of construction projects from both the office and the field. Let's walk through the streamlined capabilities that help simplify daily project management tasks. Seamlessly manage RFIs and connect them to other tasks across the project lifecycle. To start, simply click Create RFI and fill in the critical info. To help speed up the response time, add in a suggested answer and provide critical context by linking references or even dropping a pushpin to specific areas in the project. And with RFIs on mobile, users can edit the RFI from the field, even taking additional photos and linking directly to the RFI. Once submitted, the reviewer will be notified and can respond with a click of a button. RFIs can also be connected across the project lifecycle by elevating an issue to an RFI and creating a bidirectional link. And when the RFI has a cost implication, you can create a potential change order right from the RFI, making it easy for project teams to control costs and track the origin of change orders. Efficiently create, coordinate, and manage all submittals in a single submittal log. Submittal managers can easily create a submittal item and link to the appropriate spec section, or create a new section if needed, and add in all critical information. Once the submittal item is created, the responsible contractor is notified. Users can open the item, review the details, and upload any necessary documents before submitting to the submittal manager for review. Managers can select necessary reviewers and distribution list members. Once submitted, the reviewers will be notified and can view attachments and provide comments before selecting an official response from the drop-down list. Once the item is approved, the submittal can be closed out and distributed to the team. Closed submittals are immediately available to all project members on desktop and mobile and will appear in recent activity in Project Home. And when the field team is searching for closed submittals, they can leverage the search and filter features to quickly locate and view the submittal item. From design to coordination to building, meetings are effortless and productive, with clear visibility into the commitments made and an organized history of all records with meeting minutes. Any project user can create an agenda by simply selecting Create Meeting and adding invitees. For virtual meetings, leverage the integration with Zoom to seamlessly add in the link. To build the agenda, add meeting topics and sub-items, and with advanced text editing, teams can better emphasize, highlight, and organize key information. For each item, you can add files, sheets, RFIs, and issues as references. During the meeting, users can effortlessly capture minutes, remove invitees, track attendance, assign items, and add due dates. And if a follow-up meeting is needed, it can be generated before attendees have even left the room, and any unresolved items can automatically carry over. With meetings on mobile, team members can quickly view and search the meeting agenda directly from the field. Clearly document daily work, creating transparency and accountability with daily reporting capabilities. To ensure teams provide the necessary information, users can customize the daily report template. Using the template builder, create the desired daily report by adding in weather or changing the order of section. Once the template is complete, it will be accessible to all project team members. Each day, team members can navigate to the Forms tab on a desktop or mobile device to create new daily reports. If the template included weather, it will automatically populate. Add in a description, log the work, filling in crew details, and track material quantity put in place as well as equipment used. Important notes or link references such as photos and issues can be added to the report. Additionally, users can see an activity log of changes made, providing critical transparency from the job site. To share the reports externally, users can export the file or provide a shareable link. Streamline daily project management tasks and ensure all coordination and communication stay on track with Autodesk Build.